You talk of fame and happiness and this brilliant, interesting life, but for me, all these pretty words are just like marmalade, which I never eat. You're very kind and very young, but I don't see what's so delightful about my life. You've heard of obsessions? When a man is haunted day and night, say by the idea of the moon or something. I have my moon. Day and night, I am haunted by the same persistent thought. I must write, I must write, I must write. No sooner have I finished one story, than for some reason I am compelled to write another. And then a third, and after third, a fourth, and on and on. I stop only to change horses like a mail carriage. I have no choice. What's so delightful about that? It's a dog's life. Here I am, talking to you. I'm excited and delighted, but never for one moment am I spared of the thought that there's an unfinished story waiting for me indoors. I see a cloud, which looks like a grand piano. I think I must put that in a story sometime, that a cloud went by, which looks like a grand piano. I smell heliotrope. I say sickly scent, morning shade, must use when describing summer evening. I lie in wait for every word and for every phrase which falls from my lips or which falls from your lips and make haste and lock it away in my literary closet, hoping it will come in handy one day. When I finish something, I escape to the theater or I go fishing in the hopes that I can forget myself and lose myself and relax. No. There's already a new story turning like a heavy iron ball in my head, and I must make haste and write and so on forever and ever. I have no rest for myself. It is like I'm devouring my own life. That to put honey into the unknown mouths out there into the void, I am robbing my choicest flowers of their pollen and plucking off the flowers themselves and then trampling on their roots. Surely I am not a sane man. Surely my friends and acquaintances don't treat me as one treats a sane man. What are you working on? What are you going to give us next? And on until I feel as if all their praise and admiration were all a deception. They're deceiving me as one deceives a sick man. And I'm afraid that at any moment they may steal on me from behind and seize me and carry me off to a madhouse. Back in the days, the best young days, when I was a beginner, my work was a continual torture. An unimportant writer, especially if things are going against him, feels clumsy, awkward, and superfluous. His nerves are strained and tormented. He can't help himself from hovering about people who have anything to do with art and literature. Unrecognized, unnoticed, afraid to even look men in the eye. Like a compulsive gambler with no money to play with.